Now what we'll do is make our button stop the playback of a movie. If you're following along, I'm working in 07_button_stop.fla in the Chapter 13 folder in the Exercise Files folder. Let's take a look at how this file is set up. There are 3 layers, Actions, Button, and Ball. I'm going to unlock the Button layer and select the button on the stage. It has an instance name of stop_btn. The Ball layer contains the animation of the bouncing ball. Let's select the first keyframe of the Actions layer and open up the Actions panel by pressing Option F9 on the Mac or F9 on the PC. The code that's already written here is the same code that we've been working with throughout this chapter. The only difference is the instance name of the button has been changed for the button on the stage of this file. To make a button stop the playback of a movie, click inside of the curly braces of the function that's attached to the mouse click event. Remember, the stop button is listening for a mouse click, and it's going to run the stop movie function when it gets clicked. Inside the curly braces of the stop movie function, type stop, open and close parentheses, and a semicolon. Notice the stop is just the same as it was at the beginning of this chapter when we used that same code to stop the playback of a movie. The only difference is that because we're putting it inside of a function that's going to run when a button gets clicked, the movie will stop playing when the button gets clicked. Let's test the movie directly from here. Press Command or turn on the Mac, Control Enter on the PC. I'm going to move the player window to the right of the screen so you can see that the animation is happening. And then when I click the stop button at the bottom right of the screen, the animation stops. So I'll close this window. And there's how to use a button to stop the playback of a movie.